Hey, you ever wondered how much money you could make if you went viral on social media? Like, what if you could generate massive amounts of traffic and get brands begging to pay you for a simple post? Well, that dream can become a reality if you know where to start. Hi, I am Bonita and I am a digital marketing consultant, and in this video I am going to talk to you about this new program called Channel Builder AI. There are many ways to make money online, so where should you focus? On affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, ads? Which platform should you be on? TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts? What if I told you there was an easier way, a method that doesn't require you to create your own product, sell to your friends and family, or even show your face online? In fact, this strategy allows you to post content, leverage artificial intelligence to get massive amounts of traffic, and then cash in on highly lucrative brand deals. Now, I know this might sound too good to be true, but stick with me here because I want to share a tool that can make this entire process a reality for you. Now let me set the scene. There are 2.6 billion daily active users on YouTube and TikTok, so it's clear that YouTube and other social media channels are a gold mine. But creating videos takes time, right? Well, not anymore, because a company has just launched an AI tool that can create shorts for you in seconds. They've already helped people make over $1,000 per day, and they are letting us offer their tool to you. This tool will build your channel, create your content, and schedule your posts for you. All you have to do is put in your niche, like motivation, facts, stories, or news. Then select the type of content you want to post. And then Channel Builder AI program will create your posts, optimize them to go viral, and schedule them for you. And the best part is you don't need followers, you don't need a camera or microphone, and you don't even need editing skills. And you definitely won't be rejected by brands because they'll come to you. But why would brands pay you? Well, imagine you have a local business in your city that wants to reach more customers. How do you think they do that? Well, probably through advertising. Now imagine you had a large following on YouTube or TikTok. Would not it be easier for them to pay you to promote their products to your audience than try to reach them through traditional ads? This is called influencer marketing, and it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. But you don't need a large following to get started. Micro-influencers with just 10,000 followers can charge several $1,000s per post. And the more popular you become, the more money you can make. But here's the catch. You won't be able to use this tool to build your channel forever. After a week, the price will go up. It currently is on a grand opening special at a one-time payment. But after this week, this offer expires. It switches to a monthly subscription. So if you've been struggling to find a profitable side hustle or business idea, this might be your last chance to use Channel Builder AI at a massive discount. Plus, they are giving you the opportunity to attend their free masterclass where you can learn how to make $1,000 per day from home. But here's the thing, this offer won't last forever. In fact, it expires this week. So please don't miss out. If you are thinking about taking advantage of this deal, I highly recommend you act now before it's too late. Look, if you're tired of wasting your time and money on low-paying gigs, it's time to level up your earning potential and start your own online business. Just imagine waking up every morning feeling excited about the work you are doing and knowing that you have the financial freedom to pursue your dreams. I am going to show you a demo now so you can see how easy it is to use the program.
Channel Builder AI, the ultimate 3-in-1 AI faceless channel creation, automation, ranking, and training solution. So as a part of Channel Builder AI, you're getting a software called Magic Flix AI, and this is the software that me and the Atlas web guys created. This not only creates engaging faceless story videos, but can fully automate the creation, SEO, ranking, and growth of unique, congruent faceless channels on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Now, this is way more than just another AI video maker. It's the first entire AI congruent channel creator. Now you can automate entire channels with distinct styles and brands for perpetual traffic and authority too. Get everything you need under one roof to create hundreds of AI videos and channels all with this platform. In this video, we'll go over how to use Magic Flix AI to create winning faceless AI story videos and automate entire AI faceless channels. Tons of new users are already setting up their faceless channels and selling these AI videos to businesses, replacing old video ads that take forever to make with many magical AI story ones that hook listeners and sell like crazy. Soon you can fully automate and rank winning faceless AI story videos and channels on YouTube, TikTok, and more, like Mr. Nightmare or Magnets Media that got millions of followers in just weeks and make thousands per month. As you'll see, it only takes 4 easy steps. First, just choose your video theme. Choose from manual mode, where you can let AI craft any idea you have into a story script and video with detailed customization, or choose automatic mode and let the app create and post multiple videos on autopilot. Select where the videos will go, the type, and pick a ready-made theme like motivational, scary, kid stories, and more to create an AI congruent channel around. Then add AI narrators and art styles. Select from ultra-realistic narrators for specific story styles, add matching background music, and choose an AI art style like realism, Pixar, anime, fairy tale, and much more. Choose your duration and hit create. Next, customize your video. Preview the video and edit anything such as the AI story script that gets created. Or switch to advanced mode and use the point-and-click timeline editor to adjust slide times. Add custom images, add videos and stock images, or generate new AI images with custom prompts and characters. Add awesome effects to your video or transitions to make the video really engaging, exciting, and fun exactly how you want. Then auto-schedule and automate. Use specific content calendars for each AI series you create and see when videos will be created and posted automatically if you chose automatic mode. Click any video to reschedule it, download, or adjust it. Bonus step, rank your videos and channels to guarantee results. Make sure your channel outranks competing channels by finding fresh topics and trends that relate to specific keywords to make viral videos around. Optimize your video by finding and adding the best long-tail keywords for your niche, seeing the value in competition scores. Find video titles for YouTube, TikTok, and other networks that will result in a higher click-through rate and ranking by just entering the video's subject or title. Get far better descriptions to rank higher in search results and AI suggestions. Find the best Instagram, TikTok, and more hashtags for way more eyeballs to your specific video or channel. And best of all, create eye-popping video thumbnails with our AI YouTube Viral Thumbnail Optimizer in just a click. Okay, so let's dive into the app in more detail now. To get started, log into the Cloud app and click Create New Video Series to create a new faceless AI channel or collection of faceless AI videos that are congruent to each other. Start from either automatic mode, where Magic Flix AI will create and post videos for you according to a few preset buttons you select, or manual mode, where you can customize each video in more detail. First, choose a destination where you want the video finally posted, such as a YouTube account, TikTok account, etc. If you selected manual mode, you can describe what you want your AI video to be about, and our AI writer will craft it into a unique story script better than generic AI script writers. Note that if you chose automatic mode, you can have AI create multiple videos automatically. Choose the schedule you want the AI to create and post the video around. Note that you can edit these times manually if needed. Pick from video topic themes that will create a congruent channel around, like scary stories, bedtime stories, facts, history, and much, much more. The built-in AI is programmed to write a captivating script from months of testing and studying winning faceless AI stories based on your theme selection. Then choose a realistic sounding narrator. We've added great sounding human realistic type narrator voices that are perfect for telling stories. Then add background music if desired with selections that correspond to the theme. Next, choose an AI art style. There's awesome styles to pick from like comic book, Disney, anime, realism, and more. Choose a language and your video's duration, then hit create. Magic Flix AI will create your video for you in seconds and schedule it to go live at optimal times to your video channel. If you like, you can customize everything about the video if desired. First, preview what your video will look like, then add any customizations if needed, including editing the title, caption, video script, scheduling time, and more. To customize the video in depth, like changing out times, AI images, etc., with the timeline editor, click Editor. Here we can easily customize each asset of the video to get it exactly how we want. Here we can see the drag and drop advanced timeline editor, which lets us make our video exactly how we need. By clicking each image and dragging it, we can adjust the time each AI image and slide will appear and the duration of it. If you don't like the image, you can easily change it out. You can upload your own image or generate a new AI image with a specific prompt to get one exactly how you want, with the ability to include detailed prompting so you can include specific AI characters or scenes from previous slides, videos, or AI image projects. Also, choose to add stock images from a gigantic library of pro options or video clips to your videos as well if you want. Then choose to customize the video effects that will happen when each AI image or clip is shown. Click on the image and choose from motion effects like pulse, breathe, ascend, spiral, and more. Customize the transition that happens between each image and slide, adding animation effects like fade, wipe left, slide, distance, smooth, etc. Hit save, and now we can download the video if desired, update it more, or choose a time when the video will be posted to the social media. Then hit submit to get our project underway. If you chose automatic mode, the app will choose a hot niche, make congruent videos for it, so there's a clear theme, style, storyteller, and schedule them all for you hands-free if desired each day. If you want, you can set up several AI faceless video channels, see which ones take off, then continue to automate the winners. By going to series and clicking view details, we can see all the videos we've created and the times they're set to go live on your YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, etc. using the calendar view. Simply select each one to change the video around or the scheduling time. Want to guarantee your videos will outrank the competition? Leverage the AI Intelligence tab to optimize your videos and channels so they get higher click-through rates and SEO rankings in multiple social networks. First, use the Content Topic Generator to find fresh video ideas to use in our channel. Enter a topic, keyword, URL, or description, and see suggestions that could go viral or engaging and could be solid evergreen topics and more. To tap into hot trends and create viral videos, click Trends and enter a niche topic to see video ideas that are hot right now, are starting to go viral, are trending today, and are generally popular to get solid results with. Now let's start optimizing even further by adding the best long-tail keywords to our videos, title, description, and channel to outrank the competition. Enter a keyword and see how valuable each long-tail keyword that gets suggested is and how much competition there is to outrank other videos with it. Go a step further and re-optimize video titles by entering a previous video title or keyword. Get video title suggestions that can result in higher click-through rates and algorithm rankings with category suggestions such as clickbait, question, list, shocking, and more. You can even optimize video descriptions for better rankings and click-through rates. Enter your video's previous title or an example title in a brief summary or previous description and let AI Intelligence optimize it into a much better one with SEO optimization and suggested timestamps even. Get the best hashtags to go viral for your video or channel on TikTok, Instagram, or other networks with the hashtag generator. See what's trending and popular right now. And best of all, create eye-popping video thumbnails with our AI Viral Thumbnail Optimizer in just a click. Choose your network, the art style, and generate multiple thumbnails if needed until you find an amazing one that fits your brand, ready to boost your video in algorithms. At any time, you can pause automatic mode campaigns, change around API keys so they work with specific clients, and more. Now, there's much more to Magic Flicks AI, but I think you get the picture at this point. Never before has it been this easy to not just create amazing faceless AI videos, but automate the creation of entire faceless AI channels. Now you can make tons of high-quality AI videos for ads, content generation, sales videos, with magical images and engaging stories that captivate. Plus, create entire traffic-sucking channels with videos that are congruent to a theme, style, narrator, and more on complete autopilot if desired. The future of marketing is AI faceless content, as you can generate it in mass, and there's no easier tool to help you do this than Magic Flicks AI.
This is the kind of impact that Brand Builder AI can have on your life, so please don't settle for less. Now, I want you to close your eyes for a moment and picture yourself achieving your financial goals. Picture the feeling of confidence and security that comes with knowing that you have the money to support yourself and your loved ones. Imagine the freedom to travel, take risks, and pursue your passions without the fear of financial instability holding you back. That's the kind of future that awaits you. Hey, look, I know that taking the first step towards success can be intimidating, but I'm here to tell you that you are capable of achieving your dreams. Don't let another day go by feeling stuck and unfulfilled. So, click on the link below for more details. Take action today and start building the life you're after. Trust me, the rewards will be worth it.